Hello everyone. I want to upgrade my pinpointer gold pointer to shrxy. This is Chinese pinpointer. You can look on AliExpress or Amazon for $24. This is a good workhorse, and if you want, you can use Lipo battery instead this battery, because this battery is drain fast. You can pay too much. Why you need it if you can use Lipo from small drone like a look types 300 milliampere, and you can use it instead, and it will cheaper. Okay, what we need? We need pinpointer, we need charger for this battery. When you will buy, you can buy this type of charger with multiple cords for charge, and one of these cords we will use to add in this pinpointer. Okay, I will show you what I can upgrade it, and finally we will testing. Okay, you need pinpointer, battery, charger, cord for charge, and any type of screwdriver with good size for unscrew it. Okay. One. We will open. That's too easy. And look, we can do it without soldering anything. Unscrew to this. And cut this cord. You know, white is a plus. Look at this side, plus, and black, this is a negative. This like this. Testing before screw it the hole on this place. Look. One time I'm try to find some without isolating, and with the salt water I receive a little bit water on the pinpointer, and now after one bath with a 100% alcohol, pure alcohol, I'm cleaning it, but now radius for finding some is shorter. This side help you tune your power for identify some, but not too much. Okay, now we'll assemble it all. I'm isolate. In this pinpointer have two ways for go in water. This side membrane of speaker and side of the cap. You need to isolate it. What you need to do? This side with a tape. Inside the cap we need to add some silicone grease or like this. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day.